few simple exercises one has to do every day for some time. Basically, everybody has to protect his lungs. With the small exercises I am showing, with these exercises, the lungs will be strengthened. Basically, this virus is affecting the lungs. So everyone, whether the person is having a positive problem, suspected problem, anybody, even the normal person has to do this exercise. Morning 10 minutes, evening 10 minutes, slowly increase for 30 minutes. Actually, lungs contain lungs, upper part, upper lobe, middle lobe, lower lobe. Generally, the corona is affecting the lower lobe. Then when the damage happens, it will become fibrosis. Then it is not repairable. Then you have to go for oxygen, you have to go for ventilator and all. So to try to do some lung exercises where what happened, you will not get lot of problems. I am going to teach one or two exercises. First exercise, inhale, exhale. You can do for at least 5-10 minutes. Then on the other exercises, inhale, where the oxygen goes to the lower lobe. Inhale, exhale. You can also do the same way, you can also do. Inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale. This is very good for the lungs. You can sit, you can do. You can also stand, you can do. You can start with the 5 minutes, slowly for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. This is very good exercise. Then one more exercise I am going to teach. This is very good for the lungs. You have to keep the hand like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. If you are not able to do, you can do slowly also. Initially you do for 5 times, 10 times, slowly go for 50 times. It is very effective for the lungs. In case of the old people, if they are not able to do because of the shoulder problem, because of any muscle pain, any other problem, you can also do the same exercise like this. Okay. Even this, if you are not able to do the exercise, you can also do like that. Anything you can do. Young people, you can do like this anyway, but the only thing is lung exercises are most important. Now I am going to teach very important exercise. This all can take. Young people can take, old people can take. This is very good exercise. This is based on acupressure. It stimulates our body parts, or our body parts are containing in the hands. So first exercise is, you should keep like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The second exercise you should keep like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the fifth exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then keep it the hand like that. Both should touch like this. It will stimulate all the glands, parathyroid gland, even the lungs point, even the thyroid. All the things are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other one is keep like this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then keep the hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then keep the hand like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then keep the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With this, hands will become little, right? You can do it 5 times, slowly increase. This is very, very effective. You can do it in the morning, you can do it in the office, you can do it in the evening. So, I recommend all my friends, you take all the precautions advised by as time to time by the government of India or government of Telangana. Along with take the precautionary methods, do some exercise, use our hyperimmunity booster kit. It is very effective. Whomever they want, they can